What's the meaning of crazy? Crazy. Crazy.
Cracy. Cracy. The suffix cracy comes from the Greek word kratos, meaning rule or power. When added to the end of a word, it forms a noun indicating a form of government or social organization that is characterized by a specific type of rule or power. Some examples include democracy, ruled by the people, monarchy, ruled by a king or queen, and aristocracy, ruled by the nobility. The use of cracy provides insight into the type of governance or leadership at play within a given society or system.